It all started with a flicker, a brief, cold signal slicing through the dark. Faster than anything ever seen before, 3I/ATLAS tore through our solar system like a ghost, silent and uncatchable. But here's the chilling question. What if this visitor wasn't just passing by? What if it's watching us back? On July 1st, 2025, astronomers detected something extraordinary. A mysterious object named 3I/ATLAS entering our solar system from the depths of interstellar space. Unlike familiar comets or asteroids that orbit the Sun in predictable paths, this visitor defies those rules completely. Its trajectory is not bound by our Sun's gravity, meaning it's just passing through, traveling faster and straighter than any other known visitor from beyond our solar neighborhood. Scientists estimate this object has been wandering the galaxy for billions of years, crossing vast cosmic distances before reaching us. What makes 3I/ATLAS even more astonishing is its unusual behavior. It glows with a strange brightness and emits gases we rarely see at such levels. Carbon dioxide, for example, which is uncommon for typical comets in our system. This hints that it might be made of ancient materials foreign to our cosmic backyard. This isn't just another rock in space, it's a cosmic messenger, a potential signal from the unknown. And some experts wonder, could it be observing us? What secrets could it hold about the universe and about ourselves? On the first day of July, 2025, astronomers detected something unprecedented. An object hurtling through our solar system at an astonishing speed of roughly 130,000 miles per hour. Catalogued as 3I/ATLAS, this visitor immediately stood out because of its incredible velocity and bizarre trajectory. Unlike typical comets and asteroids, which orbit the Sun in curved elliptical paths, 3I/ATLAS follows a hyperbolic trajectory. This means it isn't bound to our solar system. Instead, it's journeying straight through and will eventually exit, returning to the dark interstellar medium where it originated. This hyperbolic path indicates the object comes from far beyond our star's influence, making it an interstellar traveler in the truest sense. Where exactly did it come from? Scientists believe 3I/ATLAS originated in what's called the thick disk of our Milky Way galaxy, a vast, ancient region densely populated with stars and cosmic debris. Its journey likely began more than 7 billion years ago, long before our solar system even formed. Its speed and trajectory alone made it unique. But what truly stunned researchers was what followed after further observations. When the Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array, ALMA, and other powerful instruments studied 3I/ATLAS, they found its chemical signatures to be utterly unlike any known comet. Typical comets in our solar system are mostly made of water ice, dust, and smaller quantities of carbon-based molecules. But 3I/ATLAS defied this expectation. It exhibited an extraordinary abundance of carbon dioxide, not common for comets traveling near the Sun. What's more, there was little to no water vapor detected, an anomaly that challenged decades of cometary science. Adding to these unusual characteristics was its surface brightness. Most comets tend to have dark, dusty surfaces that absorb light, giving them a dull appearance. 3I/ATLAS, however, reflected light strongly, showing a metallic sheen unexpected for naturally occurring celestial bodies. Detailed spectral analysis suggested the presence of metals such as nickel, elements typically associated with planetary cores or even manufactured metals. What could explain these anomalies? Some scientists suggest 3I/ATLAS might be a fragment ejected from a catastrophic event, such as the destruction of a planet or star system billions of years ago. These relics could be scattered across the galaxy, occasionally passing through star systems like ours. Others, however, propose more intriguing possibilities. Could it be an artificial object, designed and propelled like a probe dispatched by an advanced alien civilization? The idea is controversial but has been seriously discussed by respected astronomers, including Harvard's Avi Loeb. Adding to the enigma, 3I/ATLAS exhibited unusual acceleration at times, speeding up without any visible outgassing or forces to explain these changes. This non-gravitational acceleration mirrors observations from the first interstellar visitor, Oumuamua, which mystified scientists in 2017, decades earlier. Scientists tirelessly debated and analyzed data, trying to unravel the true nature of this cosmic visitor. Was it merely a rare, natural object defying expectations? Or was it something far stranger? The more we studied 3I/ATLAS, the clearer it became that this visitor was rewriting the astrophysics textbooks. It forced researchers to question our assumptions about interstellar objects and their potential roles in the galaxy. In a universe full of mysteries, some are silent travelers from distant places, arriving briefly to remind us how vast and unknown space truly is. 3I/ATLAS is one such traveler, challenging humanity to look deeper, think broader, and imagine beyond what we believed possible. In October 2017, astronomers detected the first known interstellar visitor, an object that would quickly become a cosmic mystery. Oumuamua. This elongated, cigar-shaped object defied all expectations. It flashed through our solar system at incredible speed, far faster than any typical comet or asteroid. What made it truly baffling was its behavior. Oumuamua showed unexpected acceleration that couldn't be explained by normal comet activity such as outgassing. Yet, it displayed no visible signs of gas or dust. Scientists debated fiercely whether it might be natural or artificial. Some even speculated it could be a probe sent by an advanced alien civilization. 2 years later, in August 2019, another visitor arrived. Comet Borisov. Unlike Oumuamua's mysterious silence, Borisov acted like a typical comet. It sported a beautiful visible coma and tail caused by ice and dust vaporizing as it approached the sun. Its composition reflected a more familiar chemistry typical of solar system comets, reaffirming many scientific ideas about interstellar objects. Yet its perfectly natural behavior made it the only confirmed comet from another star system, until now. Enter 3I/ATLAS, the newest member of this rare cosmic club. Arriving in 2025, it's rewriting the rulebook again. Traveling at speeds exceeding both Oumuamua and Borisov. Clocking in around 130,000 miles per hour, it immediately drew scientific intrigue. But it's not just speed. 3I/ATLAS's chemical signature is wildly unusual. It outgases carbon dioxide at levels unseen in any previous comet, and its surface shines with a metallic, reflective quality never observed before. What's emerging is a pattern hinting that these interstellar visitors are no random, isolated phenomena. Our galaxy may be teeming with strange objects, some carrying chemical and physical markers that suggest varied origins, maybe even artificial. For centuries, the night sky seemed empty of such travelers, destined to be only the stuff of fiction. Now, modern telescopes and surveys continuously reveal these fleeting cosmic visitors, forcing us to reconsider the very nature of objects traveling the interstellar highway. Oumuamua, Borisov, and now 3I/ATLAS each presents distinct puzzles. They challenge our definitions of what is natural or artificial, and what could be floating silently through the void, either debris from disrupted star systems or deliberate emissaries from intelligent life. Could there be a cosmic network of probes, like sentinels scattered across the galaxy? Or are these just the rare fragments of past celestial violence, chance visitors passing by? Each new discovery pushes us further from certainty and deeper into wonder. For those who study the cosmos, 3I/ATLAS is a clarion call. The universe is stranger, more complex, and far less lonely than we have imagined. As 3I/ATLAS sped through our cosmic neighborhood, scientists turned the eyes of the most powerful instrument humankind has ever built toward it, the James Webb Space Telescope. Equipped with advanced infrared spectroscopy, Webb provided an unprecedented glimpse into the heart of this mysterious visitor. What Webb revealed was startling. Instead of the usual icy, rocky surface typical of comets, 3I/ATLAS displayed an unusual mixture of chemical elements. Its coma, the glowing cloud of gas and dust surrounding it, contained remarkably high levels of carbon dioxide, far exceeding those of any comet seen within our solar system. This finding challenges our understanding of cometary physics and hints that the object's interior may have formed under unusual conditions, possibly in a distant star-forming region far older than our Sun. But perhaps most intriguing were the signals of metallic surfaces detected by the telescope's spectrograph. These reflected infrared light in patterns that some experts describe as symmetrical and uniform, features that raise questions about whether the object might be artificial in origin, not just a random space rock. Leading scientists like Harvard's Avi Loeb have long speculated that some interstellar objects could be probes sent by other civilizations, designed to silently observe or even interact with emerging intelligent life. While most in the scientific community remain cautious, Webb's data on 3I/ATLAS reopened this tantalizing debate. What's more, the object's trajectory showed unusual acceleration at times, which lacked a clear natural explanation. This non-gravitational acceleration is similar to what was observed with Oumuamua, the first known interstellar visitor discovered in 2017. Such movements could hint at propulsion mechanisms or outgassing not yet fully understood. The implication sent shockwaves through the global community of astronomers and astrophysicists. Several powerful ground-based telescopes joined the effort, trying to decode the enigma of 3I/ATLAS's composition and behavior. But soon after, official updates mysteriously dwindled. As excitement about 3I/ATLAS grew, something unusual happened. The major space agencies began to retreat into silence. NASA, the European Space Agency, and other leading scientific organizations significantly reduced public updates and data releases about the object. What was once a headline-making enigma faded quietly into the background. This sudden withdrawal sparked intense speculation. Why would institutions dedicated to exploration and disclosure suddenly go quiet? Some experts suggest it could be confusion, or the challenges of interpreting such an unprecedented object. But others whisper darker possibilities. The dark forest theory, popularized in astrophysics and science fiction, suggests that advanced civilizations might remain hidden to avoid hostile encounters. Could 3I/ATLAS represent an alien sentinel, and the silence a cautious response to a discovery too profound and dangerous to reveal? Several whistleblower accounts and unofficial leaks hinted that certain data was being removed from online archives. Astronomers allegedly warned in private that research teams were pressured to tone down statements about the object's inexplicable properties. The puzzle deepened when three I/ATLAS began moving on a trajectory toward Mars, igniting fresh fears about possible missions or signals being directed at our neighboring planet. Had this object come merely as a cosmic visitor, or was it targeting specific spots in our solar system? Newly analyzed data suggested subtle shifts in the object's trajectory, almost as if it were responding to gravitational fields with a level of precision unusual for a natural body. This sparked renewed debates about whether 3I/ATLAS housed hidden mechanisms or technology enabling controlled maneuvers. Despite widespread public curiosity, official narratives remained strictly scientific and cautious, avoiding speculation. Yet, hidden among the facts, many couldn't ignore the eerie timing of the silence. A signal itself, perhaps. As one unnamed NASA insider reportedly put it, once you cross a certain threshold with discoveries like this, it's no longer purely science. Control, fear, and power take over. Some conspiracy theorists argue the silence is intentional censorship to prevent panic or to control the narrative about first contact. Others speculate about covert government plans to intercept or communicate with the object, hidden from the public eye. What is really happening behind closed doors? Are global agencies hiding truths to protect humanity, or to keep something far stranger under wraps? As 3I/ATLAS continues its silent journey away from our solar system, the questions it raises linger more intensely than ever. Is this mysterious traveler simply a fragment torn from a distant star system, an accidental visitor, or could it be something far more deliberate, an experiment placed here to observe, or even communicate with, emerging intelligent life like ours? Renowned physicist Avi Loeb of Harvard University has long proposed that interstellar objects such as Oumuamua, and possibly now 3I/ATLAS, could be artificial in nature. He suggests that some of these mysterious visitors might be advanced probes, created by intelligent civilizations to silently survey the galaxy without direct interference. If true, it would mean humanity is under cosmic observation, whether we realize it or not. This unsettling possibility has enormous implications. Imagine that 3I/ATLAS is part of a network of sentinels scattered throughout space, carefully watching planets where life might develop. Are we unwitting subjects in a grand cosmic experiment? Is our progress, technology, and even our survival being monitored by unknown eyes? Another theory proposes that the object serves as a signal, a calling card, indicating the presence of intelligent life here on Earth. Why cloak such a message in enigma and silence? Perhaps this is the first stage of a contact, designed to test our curiosity and readiness before revealing a deeper truth. Moreover, scientists remain puzzled by the object's unusual acceleration. It behaves in ways that cannot be fully explained by natural forces such as gravity or outgassing. Could this be evidence of some form of concealed technology on board? Propulsion, guidance, or communication systems beyond our detection? Or is it simply a cosmic coincidence, a complex but natural phenomenon? The most profound and haunting question emerges from these mysteries. Are we truly the observers of the universe, or have we always been the observed? Could the vast expanse of space be less a void than a watchful presence? A cosmic forest inhabited by unseen forces that have kept their distance until now? While science has yet to provide definitive answers, 3I/ATLAS challenges us to expand our imagination and open our minds. It reminds us how small and fragile humanity is amid the cosmos and how much remains unknown. It reveals our deepest fears and hopes that perhaps we are not alone, but part of a cosmic story still being written. This enigmatic interstellar visitor invites us to look up with wonder and caution, questioning everything we thought we knew about our place in the universe. As 3I/ATLAS drifts silently back into the depths of interstellar space, it leaves us with questions far heavier than its brief passage might suggest. We searched for answers and found a cosmic mirror instead. This mysterious visitor forces us to confront our own place in the universe. Are we truly alone in this vast expanse? Or have we been watched all along by unseen eyes, sentinels quietly observing from the shadows? The object's strange speed, composition, and possible artificial features challenge what we thought we knew about space. It invites a humbling reflection. Perhaps the cosmos is not as empty or indifferent as it seems. Instead, it might be filled with watchers, messages, and mysteries that stretch beyond our understanding. In truth, 3I/ATLAS is more than just a passing rock. It is a symbol of cosmic wonder and existential uncertainty. It reminds us of how fragile and small humanity is amid the grand universe, yet also how profound our curiosity and desire to know truly are. What lies beyond this silent signal remains unknown, but it beckons us to keep searching, questioning, and imagining. The story of 3I/ATLAS and what it might represent is far from over. So, what do you think lies beyond this mystery? Are we alone, or part of a far greater cosmic story? The answers are out there, hidden among the stars, waiting for the next step of our journey. If you thought 3I/ATLAS was the final chapter, think again. What's coming next will challenge everything you believe about the universe and could change humanity's future forever. Stay curious